Fielding with RE/MAX Twin City and Fielding.com. Are you stuck for that last minute Christmas gift for that someone special who's hard to buy for? What about 47 Kingswood Drive in Kitchener? It's fantastic, close to McLennan Park, close to bus routes, we're close to the expressway, we're close to shopping, we're close to Lions Park. We have it all here. Why don't you go inside and take a look? I'm going to get a little warmer. So there you have it, 47 Kingswood Drive here in Kitchener. Like I said before, it's a fantastic 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, close to everything that you're gonna need. If you're looking for your first home, this might be it. If you're looking to downsize, this might be it as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can email me at andrew@fielding.com, or you can text or call 226-868-4402. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.